Hello friends, how are you? Okay, fine. I am Anand Charan Sahu. Today we will discuss all the question and answers of chapter 1 Engineering Mechanics. So already we have discussed 6 problems of chapter 1 in class 8. I think there should not be any doubt. Doubt है क्या? अगर doubt होगा तो please refer class 8 again, right? So now this is the class 9. Again we will solve some important questions related to chapter 1. Already chapter 1 रे कौन कौन cover ହେଇଛି I have already told in class 8. So सेही questions सेही तार relate करूची सेही chapter को other questions we will solve now. So let us start question number 7, right? So well friends, now we will start class 9. So next class of the question answer discussion. So okay, जीवा पूर्व मु किछि इंपोर्टेंट जिनस कहिबी डेफिनेटली इंपोर्टेंट बिकॉज मेकानिक्स तो निहाती डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट बट प्रैक्टिस मेक इट्स वेरी सिंपल तमे जदि प्रैक्टिस करिवो सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच करिवो ताहाले मेकानिक्स टू सिंपल आ किछि हे परिबने राइट सो केमिति प्रैक्टिस करिवो अच्छा हमें तो 6टा क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन करि सारलेनी सो सेतरे जहां भी किछि डाउट रहिथिबो आउथर तो देखिबो मु ऑलरेडी कहिछि बट प्लीज जहां भी डाउट रहउची तमे हमर ऑप्शंस अछि तमे क्वेरीज गुडा क्लियर करो राइट सो नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करिया पूर्वरु एटा वेरी इंपोर्टेंट मन रखो कि गोटे सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच लियो मेकानिक्स को सो दैट इट विल बी वेरी सिंपलर फॉर यू राइट सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट ओके वी विल स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 that is a body weighing 300 newton rests on an inclined plane making an angle of 30 degree with a horizontal. A horizontal force of 200 Newton is acting on the body as shown in the figure. This is the figure. Find the total force in the direction parallel to the plane and perpendicular to the plane. So well here the weight of the body is given, that is 300 Newton, and the parallel force which is applied, which is 200 Newton. This is applied horizontally. So we have to find the total force along the plane. This direction is along the plane and this direction is perpendicular to the plane. So we have to find components of 200 along this plane and perpendicular to the plane. Similarly, we have to find also components of 300 Newton along the plane and perpendicular to the plane. So definitely you can see here 300 and 200 both are not acting along the plane or perpendicular to the plane. So you have to resolve both the forces. Now suppose first you resolve 200 Newton. So this if this angle is 30 degree, obviously this will be 30 degree because this line and this line are parallel lines and this is the interceptor lines. So this 30 means this will be also 30. So if this will be 30 degree, you know the component of 200, this component will be 200, this is 200 Newton, so the component will be 200 cos 30 you can see because this angle is given. So this is 200 cos 30, other will be 200 sin 30. Similarly we will have 300 Newton force and if this is 30 degree, definitely this angle will be 60 degree. So if this will be 60, this will be 30 because total angle will be 90 degree. Now if this angle is 30 degree, this angle is 30 degree, then 300 का ये जो component होगा 300 cos 30 and this will be 300 sin 30. Now if you calculate total forces along the plane, that is you will have two forces now, 200 cos 30 and 300 sin 30, both are acting along the same direction. So obviously total forces along the plane or parallel to the plane is 200 cos 30 plus 300 sin 30, which will be 323.2 Newton. Now normal to the plane is what are the forces? 300 cos 30 and 200 sin 30. So these are two opposite forces. So the total force will be 200 sin 30, it is plus and minus 300 cos 30. So the result is minus 159.8. Right? So now we will start next question. A force of 200 Newton is acting on a bracket OAB hinged at point O as shown in the figure. Find the moment of force about O. So here the force is given 200 Newton and ये force 200 का moment हमको चाहिए O point में, ठीक है? So 200 you can see 200 there is perpendicular distance is not given from O to 200 Newton force. So that's why we will resolve this 200 Newton force to its two components, that is 200 cos 30, 200 sin 30. How we will resolve? Because you know this angle is given 30 degree. So if this is 30 degree, obviously this component will be 200 cos 30 and other will be 200 sin 30. नाउ बेरिंगम थ्योरम हिसाब से दोनों का मोमेंट ओ पॉइंट में जितना होगा ऐड करेंगे तो टोटल 200 का मोमेंट मिलेगा. सो 200 sin 30 का मोमेंट कितना होगा? 200 sin 30 you can see it is acting vertically upward, so the perpendicular distance is 60 mm from point O. So moment of 200 sin 30 from point O, you can see 200 sin 30 into the perpendicular distance is 60. 200 sin 30 into 60. So total is 6000 and the unit is Newton into millimeter. And the sense is clockwise. You can see it is clockwise. 200 acting vertically upward and this is the distance. So obviously the sense will be clockwise. Now again come to 200 cos 30. 200 cos 30 it is acting horizontally and the distance from point O is this 80 mm. So the moment will be 200 cos 30 into 80 and the result is 13856.4 Newton millimeter and it is anti-clockwise. You can see this is the anti-clockwise moment. Okay, so now the total moment, one is clockwise, other is anti-clockwise. So the result will be the algebraic difference, that is 13856.4 minus 6856.4. You know, here we have taken anti-clockwise is positive, so the result is positive. That's why the net moment will be anti-clockwise, and this is the magnitude of the moment. Okay, so now come to the next question, that is question number 9. So friends, now start question number 9. A beam of length 1 meter is hinged at one end A. This is the hinge end A, and rest on a roller support at other end C. So this is the roller support, right? The beam is acted upon by an inclined force 80 Newton. So this is the force, 80 Newton force at a distance of 60 centimeter from A. So from point A to this point of application of the force. So this distance is 60 centimeter. And we have to find the reactions at A and C. So supports are hinge support at A, roller support at C. We have to find the reactions provided by the hinge support and the roller support. So considering this figure, you know, for hinge support there are two reactions to come along horizontal direction. This RAH, that means reaction at A along horizontal direction. RAV, that means reaction at A along vertical direction. And as this is roller support at point C, we will have the reaction RC, which is acting only along vertical direction. So now 80 Newton is acting at an angle of 30 degree. You can see here at angle of 30 degrees. So 80 Newton will have two component. One is 80 cos 30. If this is 30 degree, this will be 30 degree, because these are vertical opposite angles. So this component, horizontal component will be 80 cos 30 and the vertical component is 80 sin 30. So now we will have forces RAH 80 cos 30 along horizontal direction, RC 80 sin 30, RAV along vertical direction. So now let us, you know, this system is in equilibrium, so total force along x direction 0. So if you count RAH along horizontal direction along with 80 cos 30, it will be 0. So obviously RAH will be minus 69.28, because you know cos 30, after putting cos 30 value, we will find this value. Now we will find total y equal to 0. As far as equilibrium is concerned, you will have total x 0, total y 0. So along y we will have RC, this is RC vertically upward, RAV vertical upward, so dono will be added, minus 80 sin 30 equal to 0. So this will be another equation. Now if you take moment about A, we will have a moment for this 80 sin 30 and RC, because 80 cos 30 is passing through A, 80 cos 30 horizontal, so it is passing through A, RAH, RAB, dono passing through point A. So we will have only 80 sin 30 whose moment will be there and RC. So 80 sin 30 का moment होगा कितना ना, 80 sin 30 into distance, perpendicular distance is 60 centimeter and RC का distance कितना है 100 centimeter. So RC into 100, RC का कैसे होगा, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मोमेंट आएगा. सो RC into 100, you can see here RC into 100 is the moment for RC about point A, and 80 sin 30 का मोमेंट कितना है, 80 sin 30 into distance 60 I have already told. So 80 sin 30, here you can see 80 sin 30 into 60. So anti-clockwise moment equal to clockwise moment. So you can find RC value 24 Newton. Now if you put this RC value in this equation, then you will have RC value is 24 Newton. Already we have found. So RAB can be found out. That it will be 16 Newton. So now we will have all the reactions RH, RAV and RC. So if we can find the RS and RAB combine करने के बाद RA मिलेगा, that is RA square plus RAB square root over. So this is not here, you can find it later. Now come to the next question, question number 10. So here ABCD is a rectangle in which AB equal to CD, that is 25 centimeter the side length, AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA which is 45 centimeter. Forces of 150 Newton each act along AB and CD. So AB में you can see here AB 150 Newton, here also along CD 150 Newton. So these two forces constitute a couple because these two forces are equal and opposite. Similarly, forces 200 Newton each act along BC and DA. So along BC 200 Newton force is there, another force is 200 Newton which is acting along DA, मतलब SA. So this will also constitute another couple. So here it is clear that दोनों moment clockwise direction में आएगा, दोनों का moment, दोनों couple का moment clockwise में आएगा. So if you consider 150 moment of 150 Newton couple, the 150 Newton magnitude into the perpendicular distance is 45. So the total moment हो गया 6750 Newton centimeter along clockwise direction. Now moment for 200 Newton couple, so 200 into the vertical distance or the distance of separation, that is 25 centimeter. So the moment will be 5000 Newton centimeter. So दोनों ऐड होने के बाद हो गया 11750 Newton centimeter and sense is clockwise. Right? Now come to the next question. Question number 11. 4 horizontal wires are attached to a vertical telegraph. So 4 horizontal wires are attached to a vertical telegraph and they exert the following pulls. One is 20 kN due north. 20 kN due north. Here you can see 20 kN due north. 40 kN due southwest. So this is 40 kN. Southwest means exactly in the middle of south and west. So it is 45 degree angle. Now third one is 30 kN due east. So 30 kN due east. Fourth one is 50 kN due northwest. So northwest का middle में again आएगा तो 45 degree angle तो होगा. Northwest के बीच में कितना 50 kN. Now we have to find the magnitude of and direction of the resultant pull. मतलब ये जो चारों forces है उसका जो resultant आएगा उसका magnitude and direction हमको निकालना है. So we have to resolve all the forces, मतलब 30, 20, 50, 40. 30 को रिजल्व करेंगे तो वो तो ऑलरेडी x डायरेक्शन में है, 20 ऑलरेडी y डायरेक्शन में है. सो 50 का कंपोनेंट आएगा 50 cos 45 along नेगेटिव x, 50 sin 45 along पॉजिटिव y. सिमिलरली 40 का दोनों कंपोनेंट आएगा along नेगेटिव x एंड नेगेटिव y. ये तो स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं हुआ, फिर भी आप समझो ये वर्टिकल होगा. ठीक है. सो टोटल x कितना हुआ 30 और ये हुआ आपका 40 cos 45 एंड 50 cos 45 दोनों माइनस होगा. सो 30 cos 0 मतलब 30. 20 का तो नहीं है, अगर ऐड करोगे तो चलेगा. ये तो cos 90 होगा जो 0 होगा उसका वैल्यू नहीं आएगा. चलो मान लो ये भी ऐड कर दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. सो 30 cos 0 प्लस 20 cos 90 माइनस होगा 50 cos 45 40 cos 45. सो ये होगा तुम्हारा रिजल्ट माइनस 33.63. सिमिलरली टोटल y, सो 30 sin 0, 30 है x डायरेक्शन में, सो sin 0, 20 sin 90, 20 का sin 90 देखो एंगल विद x एक्सिस 90 डिग्री एंगल. सो 20 sin 90 प्लस 50 sin 45 एंड 40 sin 45 ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. सो माइनस 40 होगा क्योंकि ये नेगेटिव y में है. सो रिजल्ट आ गया 27.07 एंड the resultant, total x square plus total y square, this is 43.17. And you know, if the alpha is the angle of resultant with x axis, we will have tan alpha equal to total y by total x. So after calculation, you will find alpha value 38 degree and 83 minutes. So now come to the next question. Question number 12. Forces 20 Newton, 30 Newton, 40 Newton, 50 Newton, 60 Newton, 70 Newton. So there are 6 forces and acting along the sides of the regular hexagon. So this is the regular hexagon. You can see 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 in order. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. Here also you have to find the magnitude of these 6 forces, and these forces are acting along the sides of a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all the sides are equal. Now अगेन वी हैव टू फाइंड द रिजल्टेंट बाय रिजोल्यूशन मेथड, मतलब टोटल x कंपोनेंट निकलेगा, टोटल y कंपोनेंट निकलेगा, फिर रिजल्टेंट निकलेगा. सो टोटल x कितना होगा, यू कैन सी हियर 30. सी द इफ दिस इज x एक्सिस, you know this angle is 120 degree. In a hexagon this included angle is 120 degree. मतलब दोनों साइड में इक्वल है ना, सो बाकी कितना बचा 60. सो ये हला 30, एपटे भी 30, माने ए एंगल है गला 30. सो 30 cos 30 राइट को रहला 30 cos 30, टोटल x पॉजिटिव 30 cos 30. अगेन 40 cos 90, इट इज क्लियर. 40 एक्टिंग वर्टिकली अपवर्ड, सो 40 cos 90. नाउ 50 का अगेन with x axis, ये है x axis, so this angle will be 30 degree because total 120, so this is 90, so this is 30. 50 cos 30 मतलब towards negative x, ऐसे negative x, so माइनस हो गया. और 60 का अगेन 60 का भी कंपोनेंट आएगा towards negative x, so minus 60 cos 30. अगेन this angle is with x axis 30 degree. so 70 cos 90, नीचे है 70, so 70 cos 90 x के साथ 90 डिग्री एंगल, सो इसीलिए cos 90 हो गया. और 20 cos 30 x के साथ 30 डिग्री इसका भी एंगल है, और उसका कंपोनेंट आएगा टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिव x, दैट्स व्हाई ऐड हो गया 20 cos 30. सो यू विल गेट minus 51.96, सो नेगेटिव, टोटल x इज नेगेटिव. सिमिलरली टोटल y ऐसे ही मिलेगा, जो जो cos है उसका y कंपोनेंट सब साइन हो गया 30 sin 30. ये 90 है तो साइन 30 है, ये फिर साइन है. सो सिंपली cos is changed to sin and the angles already you have understood. So after adding total y we will get minus 30, right? So now you can, it is very sure that total x is negative, total y is negative. So रिजल्ट हमें मिलेगा क्योंकि माइनस का कोई असर नहीं है, तो ये है 59.99. लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारा डायरेक्शन. सो डायरेक्शन फॉर्मूला से निकलेगा tan अल्फा इक्वल टोटल y बाई टोटल x 30 डिग्री. लेकिन ये जो x नेगेटिव y नेगेटिव मतलब थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा. सो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करेगा. ये एंगल आल्सो यू कैन सी दिस इज पॉजिटिव, मतलब एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में ये 30 डिग्री होगा. सो अगर कोई पूछेगा तो टोटल एंगल कितना है, यहाँ से मेजर करेंगे तो 180 ऐड होगा. और सो टोटल एंगल विल बी 180 प्लस 30, दैट इज 210. It is not that you can write only 30 degree, no problem. Okay, so that's all friends. So friends, we have completed 12 questions. Chapter 1 under the 12 questions we have completed, and we have covered all varieties of questions coming under chapter 1. मु भाबुची आउ कार किछि डाउट नथिबो. 12टा क्वेश्चन सब वेराइटीज रो कवर हे गला. जदि भी किछि डाउट रहउची ताल एगेन एंड एगेन वीडियो देखंतु, आपण पूरा क्लियर हे, किछि प्रॉब्लम नै. और जदि भी स्टिल डाउट रहउची, हमर बहुत एमकेडी एजुकेशन बहुत गुडा फैसिलिटीज रही छै. व्हाट्सएप थ्रू रे हो, मेल थ्रू रे हो, किछि भी तरीका रे डाउट को क्लियर कर परिबो. ओके, थैंक यू.